How to increase volume on VLC Media Player. Hey guys, and welcome back to Delve Stack. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase volume in VLC Media Player so your videos or music play louder and clearer than ever. Sometimes videos are too quiet even when your system volume is high. Luckily, VLC has built-in tools that let you boost the volume beyond the normal 100%, as well as fine-tune audio settings for the best listening experience. Stick around because I'll show you all the ways to increase volume step by step. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer, click on Media and then Open File and select the video or audio file you want to play. Start playing the video so you can hear the current volume. Then you gotta look at the bottom right of the main VLC interface. You'll see the volume slider which usually defaults to 100%. Drag the slider to the right to increase the volume beyond 100%, up to 125%, or even up to 200% depending on your VLC version. You will notice the sound becomes louder immediately. Be careful when boosting volume too high because extremely loud audio may distort or damage your speakers. For faster adjustments while watching a video, press Ctrl and up arrow to increase volume. You can press Ctrl and down arrow to decrease volume. Press M to mute or unmute the audio. Using shortcuts is great for making quick adjustments without touching the slider. You can also adjust audio effects. Click on Tools, Effects and Filters or press Ctrl+E. Go to Audio Effects tab. Under Equalizer, you can increase specific frequencies like bass or treble to make the audio feel louder or richer. Click Close when done. Your changes will apply immediately. There are a few things that you need to keep in your mind that boosting volume beyond 100% can sometimes distort audio. Use this carefully. Make sure your system volume is also high. VLC can't fix muted or extremely low system sound. Updating VLC to the latest version ensures you can boost volume safely up to 200%. Increasing volume in VLC is perfect for quiet downloaded videos or music, old movies or clips with low audio, enhancing the sound of tutorials, lectures, or podcasts, watching videos in noisy environments, and that's it. That's how you increase volume in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple VLC tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.